Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, I have a nasty toothache and I've been invited this weekend to barbecue. And these friends of mine, husband and wife, both have been chefs in five-star hotels, so I always covet an opportunity to visit them because they have excellent food. So I am hoping that I would recover by then, and also the weekend means I have no dentist. So it promises to be a painful physical existence. At least at this point of time, it looks like that. That's why I'm a bit haggard right now. So it's hurting real bad. But coming to today's topic, I'm going to do a quick review of what's happening in the market with AI stocks. I'm really happy to say that I sold the FNGD that I had bought earlier this morning. Actually, in the morning, I had bought another 200 units of FNGD, but then I saw the prices were moving in the opposite direction. So I sold them. And in another account, I bought another 5 extra FNGU to add on to my existing 50. So that's how it is. And I think I'm happy with the direction it has taken. But I feel that going forward, we are going to have a sideways movement, which would mean that the max 6 may go up one day and down another day. I'm expecting that to happen. Earlier, I had thought that buy the rumor, sell the news is happening. But that doesn't seem to be the case because Google reported and then Google fell. I think that Google was good. Overall, whatever they reported, it was good. But still, it fell, and it fell further again because OpenAI is now taking aim at AI in search engines. So that's a direct challenge to Google. So there is going to be a bit of churning out there. So that's what it looks like. But let's go and have a quick look at the TradingView platform. Let's get started. So here we are in the TradingView platform. Each of these candles is a one-day candle. Today we have a very small trading range, and Nasdaq futures are almost neutral, I would say. It's indecisive where they're going to go, but the 100-day exponential moving average definitely came into play today. MACD is bearish, very bearish, and also momentum is very low and flat. That's not a good sign. And if you look at the indicators, let's go to QQQ. QQQ is a doji candle today, supported by the 100-day exponential moving average. And again, it looks exactly like Nasdaq futures did, very bearish at this point of time. Now, let us go on to our AI stocks. And first, we are starting with Tesla. Tesla has kind of created a... If this is how the day ends, with a smaller green candle engulfed by this red candle, I would say that's a very bullish sign. And we should, most of the time, the next day's candle would be upwards, which means the prices are going to go up. However, I think that Tesla has more or less become a meme stock because the fundamentals do not seem to support the pricing that it has got right now. The valuation and pricings are misaligned. So I would not like to comment further on that. Now let's look at FNGU. It is up 1.45%. And if you look at the counterpart, FNGD, FNGD is down 1.38%. Next, let us look at Microsoft. Microsoft has lost a little bit of luster out here, minus 1.82% drop, and they are going to report on the 30th of July 2024 after hours. I expect them to be trading sidewards and maybe go down a little. I think despite the value present in these Mag 6 and Mag 7 companies, they are likely to either go down or sideways so that profit taking can happen. And then we'll clean out the slate and we'll start going up again. When is that going to happen? I don't know. I'm going to be watching closely. And one of the things I'd like to point out here is that in case of Microsoft, it has also fallen below the 100-day exponential moving average. And now death crosses are getting formed above, so it's a very bearish situation. Momentum is also very, very down. It's almost coming to the oversold territory. Now would be a good time to buy, in my opinion. MACD is also very bearish. Of course, this is not financial advice, just personal opinion. Palantir is down to 26.78, even though today it gained 0.68%. My reference point is $28, which is where I have 2 covered calls. That's the strike price for that for the end of this month. So I'm happy about it. So tomorrow I'll be able to keep my money. Amazon is up 0.51%. And Amazon is struggling with the 100-day exponential moving average, which is at around 181.83, and right now the price is 181.94. So anytime now it could fall below, or maybe it gets a support. I think it's going to get a support because the momentum has shown a little pick up out here, and MACD is moving towards the signal line. So my bets are that it will stay above the 100-day exponential moving average at the end of the day. That said, let's look at Meta, which was down 1.32% during the day, well below the 100-day exponential moving average, and it has got the support of the 200-day exponential moving average. Momentum is very weak, and also MACD is very bearish. Apple is up 0.14%, but momentum is just about average, and MACD is very bearish. And today it was a very narrow trading range, and I think people are still trying to make up their minds what to do with Apple. And we have their earnings coming up on the 1st of August, and maybe we'll get some catalyst out there which can also stimulate FNGU. Google is down 2.10%. As I mentioned, they're going to get competition in the AI search area. So that could be another factor to consider. But overall, the company is pretty good. Next, we move on to NVIDIA. NVIDIA has positive, a small candle area out here, but a wide range of pricing today, which means longer wicks than the body. And momentum is still below average, but flat, which means the decline has been arrested. But MACD is still looking very bearish. So we'll have to hold on and see what happens next. I think the overall sentiment of the previous companies which are involved in AI is rubbing off on NVIDIA. NVIDIA is not doing too bad, I would say, given the meteoric raise that it had for its share price and then the splits and so on. So it's still good in my books. And going back to FNGU, if you look at FNGU is still trying to hold on to the 100-day exponential moving average. But if you look at the constituents, Microsoft is already below the 100-day exponential moving average. Amazon is already below the 100-day exponential. Meta is below the 100-day exponential. Apple is way above, so Apple is giving a major support out here. Google is also above, so it's giving a major support out here. And if you look at NVIDIA is also above. So if Apple, Google, and NVIDIA were to start slipping, then I would expect FNGU to turn around and start falling. So that's my verdict out here for today. And with that, my friends, I'd like to bring this video to an end. And I'll catch up with you again tomorrow. And I'll try to do a genomics video just like this one. So watch out for that. That will be released next. Bye for now.